Ethereum is going to be the next Apple. Welcome back, everybody. I'm your everyday average investor here to help you make money in the stock and crypto market. In today's video, you should gain an excellent understanding on why Ethereum is going to absolutely explode. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into it. As always, guys, I have Coinbase opened up here. I am not at all affiliated with them, just here to help you guys out. If you would like to get $45 for free by signing up with Coinbase, I'll leave the description down below. Okay, so why is Ethereum going to be the Apple of today? So as you guys know, if you would have invested in Apple or Tesla or Microsoft back in 2006, back in 2000, back in 1995, your investment right now, if you invested $10,000, would be 26 million, would be 12 million, would be 13 million, would be 1.8 million if you actually just invested recently in Tesla back in like 2010. But these numbers are absolutely insane. You see $10,000 making you a millionaire in the future. So this is exactly what's going to happen with Ethereum. Right now is a prime time. It might not be extremely early to get into Ethereum, but it's definitely not late. It is absolute prime time to get into the crypto market. Because if you were to enter right now, once again, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do and what not to do. I'm just giving you educational tips. But this is prime time to enter into Ethereum because right now, the FOMO hasn't kicked in. The fear of missing out hasn't kicked in. And once you see more people get into Ethereum, once you see the upgrades happen on Ethereum, it's going to absolutely skyrocket. So just to give you some perspective, Grayscale yesterday. So we see constantly these big investors buying into Bitcoin. And that's why you see currently the price of Bitcoin being driven upwards. Right now, I think it's sitting at $40,500. That's a big advancement since we've been consolidating for the past couple weeks at $30,000. But once again, you see it being driven up now because of institutional investors buying into Bitcoin. And that's exactly what's going to start happening in Ethereum. Now, one key thing is like, why hasn't the retail investor, why hasn't these big corporations kind of bought into Ethereum? And that's what I kind of went back and talked about in my previous video, is that Ethereum actually is doing updates. So as I spoke before about it, Ethereum is actually doing an ETH 2.0, and they're just kind of trying to do full maximization of the Ethereum blockchain to give the best product, I guess. So it's kind of, people are kind of just sitting back, waiting for the upgrade to be released. But once again, there's a lot of people waiting on the sidelines, waiting to see if this upgrade is going to be, an enhancement, waiting to see if the upgrade is going to actually happen, and then get in once the upgrade happens. But that's not smart, because once the upgrade happens, once people figure out Ethereum is the next big thing, it's going to absolutely skyrocket. So as you can see here, Grayscale buys 76 million worth of Ethereum in anticipation of CME's Ethereum's future launch. So once again, the future launch is the ETH 2.0. And just to give you some background reference, Ethereum is the new technology that is going to help advance the world. So currently, a lot of the cryptocurrencies are actually built on the Ethereum blockchain. And you're going to be using Ethereum for a lot of this new technology. So as I said before, Reddit actually bought Ethereum, which is going to help advance Reddit. So you're going to actually see down the line, eventually Bitcoin's price is going to stop having these massive fluctuations, this massive volatility that we're seeing currently. And eventually you're just going to see it in everybody's portfolio, just like how you see Apple, Tesla, Microsoft. You're going to see these, you're going to see Ethereum, Bitcoin, all that stuff kind of just being as a steady investment way to gain steady passive income from these cryptocurrencies. And that's what's going to help the price drive all the way up to that $20,000 Ethereum, to that $300,000 Bitcoin, because eventually you're going to see minimal volatility and you're just going to see passive and steady growth. But now is the time to enter, not after all these big investors enter and you see the price absolutely skyrocket and then you have fear of missing out. So I know I'm going to be adding more Ethereum. I'm going to be adding more Bitcoin, definitely, because I know for a fact it is not too late to be getting into the train. The earlier you get in, the more profitable you will be. If you guys want me to show you how to go about buying Ethereum, how to go about buying Bitcoin, let me know. down in the description below. Make sure to hit that like button, make sure to hit that subscribe, and I did make a Discord. Make sure to join that down below where I give rapid stock news and crypto news. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed the content, make sure to hit that subscribe and let me know how you guys are all doing down below, and I'll see you all later.